In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Lasko heater. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you plenty of troubleshooting tips to fix your Lasko heater. In this video, I'm just going to be giving you general advice. So if you are having a very specific problem, make sure that you look for alternatives elsewhere as well. This video will cover common problems, and one of these steps might help you. So first, check the power source. Ensure that the heater is plugged into a working outlet. To figure if the outlet is indeed the problem, you can try plugging it into a different outlet. If it still does not work, then the problem is indeed attributed to the Lasko heater. But if you plug it into a different outlet and then it works, it could indicate a problem with the original outlet that you are using. Next, unplug the heater and leave it unplugged for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now plug it back on and try powering it on once more. See if it works and if resetting it helped. Next, inspect the fuse if applicable. If your heater has a visible fuse, check to see if it is blown, and if it is blown, you can replace it with a new one of the same type and rating. Next, clear the heater. Dust and debris can accumulate on the heating element and the fan, affecting performance, so unplug the heater, clean it with a soft cloth, and use a vacuum cleaner to remove any specks of dust that you see. Finally, check for physical damage. Look for any visible damage to the cord, the plug, or the housing. If you find any damage, it is best to replace the heater altogether or contact Lasko for repair options. Besides this, if you aren't comfortable tearing it apart, there's nothing else that you can do. For advanced troubleshooting, you can try checking the thermostat, inspecting the heating element, and examining the fan. But if you aren't comfortable exchanging those parts, I would recommend talking to the Lasko customer support, and they will be able to cover the problems for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Lasko heater. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.